Want to know if someone has muted you on Instagram? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can know if you have been muted on Instagram. Like other social media sites, there is no definite way to tell if you have been muted on Instagram. You aren't notified when you are muted and you can't go anywhere to see a list of who has muted you, as there is no such option provided by the app or Instagram. Now, there are a few ways that you can look for and know that they have muted you, and let me guide you through it. Now, if you open the app and you'll get an interface like this, and if you head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon here on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll get all your posts and your stories highlights here. Now, the first thing is, if a person who used to often like or comment on your post before seems to have suddenly gone silent, then you may have been muted. Now, the second is, try seeing if they are still active. Now, if they haven't been liking and commenting on your post, now, if you head into the profile and they are still posting and they are active on their, now it's a clear sign, because they used to comment before, they used to be active on your post, they used to comment, and now they suddenly stopped doing that, but they are still active on Instagram. It means that they might have muted you. Now, similarly, the third one is that if someone who used to view your Instagram stories and reply to them no longer shows up on your viewers list, it could mean that they have muted you. So these are the ways you can know that you have been muted on Instagram. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.